In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your left tail light in your Subaru Forester. You're going to take a 10mm socket and you're going to loosen up these two bolts. Once you pry it behind, you can grab the whole piece and just pull it out. All right, so now you need to disconnect these bulbs and wires. I'm going to start with the one right in front of me. And I'm just going to push the button in and pull it out. You can now take the whole assembly and put it on a bench. All right, so now we're on the bench and we are going to start twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And taking out the wires from underneath all the clips. And we are going to transfer all this into the new light. For this, you're going to need a trim tool. Take it out of its housing. Okay. Now I'm going to place it into the new light. Same way it came out. Don't force them, they will just fit in nicely if you have it going the right way. And that goes there. And these go underneath. So I'm going to flatten down these wires and then pull it through. So it's on the pink. And same with this one. Flatten it down and then pull it through. Once you get your wiring harness in with all your bulbs tight, you can now bring it back to the vehicle and install it. All right, so now we're going to connect our connector. And we are going to line up our slide over here and line up our peg here and our bolt holes. Once you get everything lined up, give it a good push. And you're going to put your bolts back in. Start with hand tightening first. You just want to snug them both up. At this point, you would want to make sure all the light bulbs are working by turning the key on and just checking all of them. Have somebody help you make sure all the lights work, and then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.